What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX, and this is from SoundPeats, an open ear headset for working out pretty much. This is the RunFree Lite. We're gonna open this up today and see how well it does. Here we go. So if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. You're gonna see later on if it's pretty good or not. Let's just see how well it does here. Open it up. We're gonna test it out with our phone, do a shake test as well, so that it won't let's see how well it stays in my head. A few features as well we're gonna look at, and let's see if it's any good. Now if you are a runner, this is advertised for that. If you run a lot and if you are into walking a lot as well, this is advertised for that specifically, so you can pretty much let's see if it's really good for that as well. Basically inside you get a couple of literature right here, just for pretty much connecting it on the app, SoundPeats app and whatnot. There's also a USB-C cable that it comes with. There it is, pretty short cable just for charging it, right? Put those on the side for now, and what we get here is the little earbuds. So basically you get the SoundPeats little logo there, pretty nice. A few buttons here as well for touch controls. On the bottom here it has the little silicone that pretty much covers the USB-C right there. Just cover that up if you're running outside, like so. On the other side is the exact same thing, as you could see there. No touch controls or anything like that, only on one side, and the back is just a very flexible little rubber there. Let's try this on now, see how well it does. And as you can see, wide open ears, pretty good. Just kind of sits right there. How does it look? How does it look, guys? Is it pretty nice? A little shake test. I like these because it is open ear, and it's definitely not gonna come off your ear just because it's right on there. It's sitting right on your ear as well, and the back, pretty comfortable around your neck there. Pretty nice. Now let's turn it on and connect it to our phone. Now you're gonna check as well, for me, if you can hear like a sound leak. Usually with these open earbuds, they have a little bit of a leak on the sound just because it's not right on your ear. That's all right. This is what you want though, because when you're running, there are vehicles around, and you don't want to like run into not knowing if there's someone behind you. You still want to hear your environment and still be able to listen to music or take phone calls. So pretty much what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to SoundPeats. We're gonna download the app, as you can see there. We'll go to Bluetooth and connect our SoundPeats RunFree Lite. Now that it's connected, it'll tell you on the headphones there, and as you can see, it should pop up on the app here. There it is, SoundPeats RunFree Lite. Pretty nice. So pretty much from here you'll be able to change your volume control there. There's a preset as well for if you want a bass boosting, a bass reduction, fashionable, or rock and roll for equalizer, or you can customize it yourself as well, which is really nice to have. There's also a game mode. It's nice to use that as well if you're gaming. Awesome. Here with the app as well, you'll be able to upgrade the firmware of your earbuds. Now it's a nice addition that they added that on the SoundPeats. It used to be just like a normal earbuds, but the app really revamps and gives it a little bit of a feature, because with the app as well, later on they can add more features, update the earbuds that you have, make it more updated, and you'll be able to have different features as well. So that's really cool. All right, so now that we've updated the RunFree Lite, we're gonna go ahead and play some music. So I play some country music right now. It's about 3/4 of the way here. There it is. So there are 3 buttons here. One is play and pause button, which is the middle part. There is the minus and the plus, pretty much increases or lowering the volume. So you can lower the volume by just pressing it once right there. And then if you want to increase, you just press the other side and it'll increase the volume, as you could see there. You can play and pause like I said earlier. There you go. When you press and hold, it'll go to the next song. But if you press and hold the minus, you can go back to the song. As you can see there. Pretty cool. Now, if you are taking phone calls, you can use that as well. If you want to take the phone call, you just hit the middle button. If you want to bypass it, you just hold it for 1.5 seconds. And if you want to increase volume, it's the exact same way with the plus and minus. Pretty nice. So let's test out maybe a bass boosting song now, like a hip hop or something like that. Let's play some Andy Mineo here. I don't know if you know the song Coming In Hot. This is really good. I love this song. Let's put it about 3/4 on the way there. Coming in hot. Now, like I said earlier, if let me know if it leaks the sound. The mic is right here, as you could see, pretty close to each other. So just let you know. It's really good, actually. Nice sound. Boom. Even the bass is really good for an open earbuds. Really nice. Now let's try some YouTube videos with maybe you're listening to someone speak. Let's try that out. Let's watch one of our videos here. Boom. With a GPA. Here we go. It's really good as well. You'll be able to hear clearly the sound, the voice from a podcast or someone that is speaking if you're watching YouTube videos. Really good. So as you can see here, it is very definitely recommended for runners to use this. It does have, I don't like the one on the back here, but it does help when you are running. That's a bit of a support, so that's really good to have. I also recommend that it is an open ear. Like I said earlier, you want to hear your environment when you are running. If you're outdoors or something like that, this is really good, so that you'll be able to speak to someone as well if you do run into someone, or at the same time hear vehicles that are coming your way, so that you can pull away from pull out of the way. For example, if you are biking as well and you're always commuting outdoors, this is really good if you want to hear your environment while you're listening to music. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.